No matter the weather is bright or gloomy, before stepping outside in the daylight, applying sunscreen is a must. This certain product helps to keep your skin protected from the damage caused by UVA and UVB rays, and not applying sunscreen can lead to many issues including skin cancer. Sunscreen is a product that is recommended to use every single day by men, women, and children over 6 months of age, because even if the weather seems gloomy, the sun is causing damage. Applying a minimum amount of sunscreen doesn't do any real work, so it is also important that you make sure to slather this product on before going out, whether you are prone to burns or not. Now, before choosing a sunscreen, there are some certain factors that you need to know in order to ensure the best outcomes for your budget. First of all, what are UVA and UVB rays? There are two types of ultraviolet rays that reach the Earth's surface. One is ultraviolet A or UVA, which causes premature aging of skin and plays a role in the appearance of wrinkles. Another one is ultraviolet B, which is responsible for causing sunburn. Both of these rays are responsible for damaging the skin which is exposed to the sun, and they can create all types of complications such as sun damage, leathery skin, liver spots, actinic keratosis, solar elastosis, and eye problems. What's more alarming is the fact that these rays are responsible for causing skin cancer. After all that information, now let's talk about SPF. SPF means sun protection factor, and the number written beside it simply indicates how long it will take your skin to turn red after you have applied sunscreen according to the instructions and stepped outside. So if you're using a sunscreen with SPF 50 or more, it means it'll take your skin 50 minutes longer to burn compared to not applying sunscreen at all in the first place. Then, let's move on to knowing about another term, which is broad spectrum protection. Now, previously, most of the sunscreens were capable of protecting your skin from harmful UVB rays, excluding the possibility of damage being caused by UVA ones. So at present, sunscreens offer broad spectrum protection, which means they work to keep your skin safe from both UVA and UVB rays, minimizing the probability of sun damage throughout the day. Now, there are two types of sunscreens available on the market. One is physical or mineral sunscreen, and the other one is chemical sunscreen. Mineral sunscreens contain titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, and they work together to block UV rays before they can even enter into your skin. On the other hand, chemical sunscreens contain ingredients such as oxybenzone, avobenzone, and octisalate, and they absorb the UV rays like a sponge in order to keep your skin protected. Both of these sunscreens are tested safe and effective. While choosing a sunscreen, it is important to ensure that it comes with a minimum of SPF 15 for occasional sun exposure and minimum of SPF 30 or higher for outdoor activities and working sessions. Lesser SPF than that won't necessarily suffice. Some sunscreens offer water-resistant features for up to 40 or 80 minutes depending on their formulation. This indicates that they can remain effective for that much longer in the water or while you are swimming. Apart from that, you should apply sunscreen 30 minutes before going outside and reapply every 2 hours to ensure the best possible protection for your skin. Experts suggest that you should apply sunscreen on your entire body to remain safe as you go. Or at the very least, you must apply sunscreen to the parts of your body which remain exposed to the sun, including tops of your ears, feet, and on the part line of your scalp, as well as the spots which can be easily missed. Applying 1 ounce of sunscreen to your entire body is recommended because lower applications won't provide you with the proper protection. Finally, as we come to the conclusion, it is necessary to let you know that to ensure ultimate sun protection, it is important that you not only wear sunscreen, but also choose proper sun-safe clothing and necessary items for keeping your skin safe from harmful UV rays. So keep your confusions aside and choose the best sunscreen according to your skin type right now to prevent any future occurrence of sun damage. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.